Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Tell your doctor if you experience serious side effects of MiraLAX, including severe or bloody diarrhea, bleeding from your rectum, blood in your stools, or severe and worsening stomach pain, cramping, or bloating.
Take our lead.
Getting off the MiraLAX first drop dose in half for 2 weeks, then 1/2 dose every other day for 2 weeks, then every third day for 2 weeks and stop. If at any time the problem gets worse, you simply go back up 1 step.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.